Critical thinking. The skills that we acquire in the pursuit of personality development prove useful not only in our career but our personal life too. One such skill amongst many which is helpful at the workplace while making your career is critical thinking. The literal meaning of critical thinking is serious thinking, but its technical meaning is profound study, an all-round thinking of something taking into account every aspect of it. Critical thinking means the ability to think logically and clearly on a topic. It is expected here to always challenge your talent by finding logic in any concept, understanding it, not thinking in a stereotyped and cliché way. It is important to think in advance about the assumptions that are being made here. Critical thinking is a thought process in which the available conclusions or counter arguments are not readily accepted but questioned. What and how much evidence is there for that conclusion is investigated. Albert Einstein the Great affirms it is impossible to solve a problem in the same mindset as in which the problem has occurred. The skill of critical thinking always comes in useful at the place of work as well as in the profession. If any question or problem arises, then how to solve it? Such apprehension is created. What is to be done to solve it? Or how to do it? Why no alternative can be considered acceptable? Or why is it cannot be used? It is thought deeply. While thinking about this, questions are formed on questions. After finding the answers to their questions repeatedly, some conclusion can be reached. In the critical thinking process, decisions are taken at a very real level rather than emotional judgment, in which many arguments are made, and that problem is solved by creating a very analytical way of truth. Having imbibed the process of critical thinking, some very useful virtues are also absorbed automatically. The power of observation is sharpened, giving rise to heightened curiosity and thirst of knowledge. New lessons are learned while solving a problem. The ability to think on it from all sides increases. Increases the skill of accepting new ideas. Because of all these things, critical thinking proves to be very effective in personality development. So, whether it is workplace, business, or personal life, critical thinking has good effect and results. Any work in the short run increases the chances of being accurate by taking the right decision. Critical thinking, this process seems a little difficult to hear and implement, but the process becomes so simple and easy that we have learned many new things from it. We have imbibed it. We know it only when the project is completed. That is why, when the process of critical thinking is implemented in any project, it becomes a very colorful and fun scheme. With this, we will learn something new, understand it, and think about it.